guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making gingerbread cookies. That's my dog if you hear her panting. So I already made them, but I'm just going to cut them out and then show you guys how they turn out. And I might be decorating some of them because I bought icing and I have some sprinkles here left over from last year. But I'm going to show you how they turn out, and I'm going to show you me cutting them because the dough is already made like this. Oh, it kind of looks like a heart. A deformed heart. It's okay. So I just put it in the fridge after I made it a couple days ago, and then I let it defrost. So now it's nice and malleable. And I'm gonna just roll it out on my countertop after I lightly flour my countertop, and then show you what it looks like. Okay. I don't want to have too much on because then it's going to get floury and gross, so I'm just going to leave the extra right over there. But so far, there's a good amount, so I'm going to unwrap this and put it on. It's all rolled out, and now I'm going to put the little people. I also have a snowman, which is really cute, so I'm going to make those too. My little trick is to always shake it before you take it out so that there's space around it. I want to use up as much as I can before I have to roll it out again. You might want, if your edges of this get dough on it, make sure to put it inside flour so that it doesn't stick. Little scraps in this little pile. I know some people like to take out the people first. Oh, I need to spray my pan. I'm just going to use canola cooking spray. This is the Crockwine brand, which is from Costco. I also forgot to preheat my oven, so let's do that. I'm going to assume it's 350. Okay. So we get the first person. So perfect. And put it right there. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. Ooh, this guy seems like it's falling apart. I know they grow a little bit, so I don't want to put them too close together. Ooh, there's some dough on this. There's some dough right here. Cute. I just love making gingerbread cookies. And snowman cookies. Okay, so this guy is sticking to the bottom, so maybe I need to flour it more. Oh, this one's a little disfigured. But nobody's perfect, so we don't always need it to be perfect. I'm gonna take off the extra here and make this pile over there. dough is so squishy. So maybe you don't want your dough to be super squishy because then it's very sticky and will get stuck to your surface. Just a little recommendation. Make sure it's like malleable, but not too malleable that it gets super squishy and sticky. I think I'm gonna stick this back in the fridge and put this in the oven with a couple more here from these. And then I'm gonna do those a little later after they get harder. Ooh, okay, his leg is falling off. I'm gonna put these last couple ones and put the leftover dough in the fridge so that it gets hardened up. And then I'm gonna work on my chocolate covered pretzels and everything else that I'm baking tonight. Okay, I'm gonna just get these and put them on here and put them in the oven. I just took them out and I kind of ruined the edges and then I ruined this one. So I figured I might as well eat it. I took them out a little bit early so they're still squishy because I didn't want them to burn in there and it smelled like they were burning. So that's how they turned out. So these are all of my snacks that I have set up for today's little Christmas party. This is just assortment of nuts and then some extra pistachios, some chocolate covered pretzels, there's peppermint, sliced almonds, and then little sprinkles, and then some pretzels, my dog. And then here's like the little drink station. This is like hot cocoa mix, that's like the big container, and little pre-packaged hot cocoa mixes, and then matcha tea because my friends love matcha. And then here are some sprinkles. We have some green, some pearls, some funfetti frosting, M&Ms, but we also so we just put that mason jar on top, and then we have some Reese's Pieces. Now here's the center of the table, and this is everywhere. That's like all the leftovers and craft corner kind of. So we have the ugly cookie mix, ugly cookie sweater kit, the chocolate spoons. Yikes, I cannot speak. And then I have all my chocolate covered pretzels that I made with peppermint. And then I have some sprinkles. And then we have some candy canes, a little plant. And the plates and napkins I was telling you about. And then I got some more napkins. What happens at the holiday party stays at the holiday party. We have some more napkins, some more plates. And then here are all the cookies that I made. I told you that I made gingerbread cookies. And this is how they turned out. They're so cute. And then I made chocolate chip cookies also. So here are all the chocolate chip cookies I made. There also. And then I had too many, so I put them in this package of oatmeal raisin cookies because this was from my mom's Christmas party that she had. This was all leftover, and this is where I put my chocolate chip cookies. And then if we need more of anything, we have some peppermints. We have cupcake liner, we have more frosting, more sprinkles, some little packaging so that you can cover up whatever candy or whatever thing you want to take home. Some more packaging so that people could take candies home. And then we have some cupcake liners in case we want to make cupcakes. We have these little tray things that I don't really know what they're for, but if anyone wants to take some stuff home or we want to make more food, we have some extra plates and napkins, some dark chocolate morsels in case you want to make more pretzels. And this is my chocolate pot, and we can just dip anything in here in case you want to do like fondue. This is brown sugar in case we're baking anything. We have chocolate bar marshmallows, and everything for the fondue kit is in here, so we can do some fondue unless we're already sufficiently filled with all of these sugary snacks. And then I have pizza pie that we are gonna make. So here's the dough. If Maddie's watching this, she loves eating pizza dough. And then I bought cheese and sauce as well. And all of that was only like $9. The pizza mix was $9. If you buy normal pizza, it's gonna cost you like $20. So I recommend if you're gonna have like a cute little party, why don't you just make the pizza at home and you save half the cost. You may have to like set your oven to 400 and like think ahead of time. But I think it's a great money saver and a great way to have fun with your friends. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching all the way up until now. As you can tell, I'm in something different and I just showered, so I may look a little gross. But thank you for watching up until now. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, then subscribe and click the bell notification so that you get notified every time that I post a video. I'm sorry about the light. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.